Missed the deadline for your consolidated e-invoice? AutoCount can help you submit it under the SVDP.
In our consolidated e-invoice, so this is the usual consolidated e-invoice, we can actually click on the new button. You will notice there is an e-invoice SVDP over here. So if your current consolidate you want to run using SVDP, you can just click on this and just, of course, put your date range and generate. Okay, it's very straightforward. But AutoCount has think one step further. What we do is we will do reminder. We have a smart detection, okay, for late submission. For example, today is already 29th of July. Let's say I want to submit for June. We have made the system to smartly detect if you are in a late submission and you click generate, it will prompt you a message. System detected you are probably under late submission for your consolidated e-invoice. Do you wish to submit under SVDP? So if you click yes, it will generate your transaction and submit it using SVDP. For example, I save it. Sorry, I refresh. Okay, how do I know? Actually, in column chooser, my column chooser, okay, we have this SVDP, e-Invoice SVDP. So it will be ticked. Okay, this one is the yesterday submission that I tried, so valid, but this one sometimes it failed, but you just assume this thing goes through, okay, because it's okay one I've already tested. If you want to know if your submission is SVDP, it will have a mark over here, a checkbox over here. This also applies to invoices that I showed just now. Just now I forgot to show you this. In our column chooser, we also have the e-Invoice SVDP. As you can see, I also have a valid SVDP submission which I tried yesterday. Okay, these are some of the things. So you just assume that our consolidated e-invoice is smart enough to detect if you have any late submission. If yes, it will prompt you a message. Okay, another thing, in the guideline, it specially mentioned that over here, 17.6, where the voluntary disclosure invoices consolidated e-invoice that were not previously submitted, the consolidated e-invoice shall be submitted according to the relevant month of transactions and not a lump sum basis covering multiple months. Means if you were to submit consolidate, the LHDN guideline stated that you should split your consolidate. For example, you miss out your submission from January to June. So by right, you should submit 6 different consolidate to LHDN. January 1 consolidate, February 1 consolidate, March 1, April 1, May 1, June 1. Not combining your January to June transaction into one consolidate and submit. Okay, so of course here we did some smart detection as well. Let me see if I have transaction. Okay, so for example, I have May transaction that is not submitted yet. Let me refresh. April also. So if I filter my date range 0104 until 30th 06, whenever I generate, the system will detect that you are trying to consolidate multiple months for e-invoice. Are you sure you want to continue? Of course, this is still a yes, no. We still allow you because we're afraid that there might be special situation. So if you click yes, we still will generate the consolidate for you. If not, just click no, adjust your date range and generate this consolidate again.
With AutoCount SVDP feature to submit e-invoices that were previously missed. If your system doesn't have this feature yet, contact our team and we'll help you upgrade your AutoCount system.